Greetings, EICC friends and family. I'm pleased to share some exciting news for our college community. Eastern Iowa Community Colleges has been named one of the top 200 community colleges nationwide and invited to apply for the 2027 Aspen Prize for Community College Excellence. This is a tremendous honor, and it truly belongs to all of you. It reflects the dedication and hard work of our faculty, staff, both past and present, the leadership of our Board of Trustees, the commitment of our community partners, and the vision of those who came before me. You've built an incredible foundation, and we all have reason to be proud. The Aspen process is among one of the most rigorous and respected in higher education. It looks closely at how colleges support students from learning and completion to workforce success and community impact. Being invited to apply places us in great company. Just as important, though, this process will provide us an opportunity to take a thoughtful look at ourselves to assess our key measures, our practices, and the opportunities ahead for improvement. We'll celebrate what we do best, identify where we can continue to do better, and stay focused on what matters the most. That's serving our students. At its heart, the recognition is not just about rankings. It's about our shared commitment to helping students achieve their hopes and dreams. When our college is recognized for quality and results, it means our students are reaching their goals, earning degrees, advancing careers, and building better futures for themselves and their families. That's what this work is all about. Here's what's ahead. Our application is due November 13th, and then we'll have a follow-up narrative that's due in early December. Aspen will announce 25 semifinalists in April of 2026. Then they'll cut that list down to 10. This is the Super Bowl of community colleges, and we're not quite in the playoffs yet, but we're getting really close. Then the Aspen Prize winner will be named in the spring of 2027. The top community college in the nation will receive $1 million from the Aspen Institute. Don't go spending it yet. Between now and then, we'll have a chance to showcase the best of who we are, our students, our faculty, and our staff, and the collective impact that we make every day. Thank you for your care, commitment, and excellence that you bring to your work. This recognition reflects who we are as a college, dedicated, student-centered, and always moving forward. Thank you.